Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, thank you so very much for joining me. This is the last video of the year for Smash That Small Paper Pad. Thank you to Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage for putting this on. The point of this collaboration is to use up small paper pads. Maybe not in the same month, maybe it takes you a couple months. This month, when I let my subscribers pick which one they wanted to see, they couldn't choose between Moda Scrap Let It Snow and Ciao Bella Time for Home. So I am using both of them. And this collaboration is coming to an end, but I'll be doing more 6x6 Smash That Small Paper Pad kind of ideas. So you'll see this more in January. Let me show you what I made. I made 8 cards, all with the snowman. I was having a great time with my die cutting. I came back in and mixed it up a little bit. The snowman die itself is a set of 3 from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I just used the top 2 parts on most of them because when I was making the first one, I realized it was going to be too tall for a card. And so you can see here that I cut off the bottom to make it work, but I really just liked it as a short snowman. And on most of these, I have used the sentiment Choose Joy, but on a couple of them, I've left it blank, and I'm going to go through and look around because the snowman right here, I didn't leave quite enough room, and it's a very light paper, so I think this just wouldn't be very fun on those. This is larger than I had envisioned, and on this one I used the Wishing You Joy because that was my original plan, was to have Wishing You Joy as a flag, but obviously there's just not as much room as I had planned. I went nuts on these cards. I might have to glue them down a little better because I used Stickles, Glossy Accents, Stampin' Glitter, the Snow Marker. I made big messes and then had to leave them to dry for hours. But I like that it's the same idea on all the cards. You have printed paper and a snowman, but none of them are the same. And that's how I like to do. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? Look, that one's upside down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do on that one is I'm gonna cut it off and put it back together. This one, Choose Joy, and the snowmen also have Wink of Stella, or not Wink of Stella, but the Nouveau version of it on them. And on this one, I tried one that's a little more iridescent. And I used some of the glossy accents because I wanted some shine in my snow too. I just had a great time. And some of them have glitter sort of sprinkled throughout, and I can take a paintbrush or something and clean that up before I put it in the envelope. But the reality of it is, it's gonna move around. It's glitter. If you have a die like this, or flowers, snowmen, anything where you get to mix things up, just sit around with your scraps and die cut watching TV. That's what I did. And then I put the cards together later and had a great time doing it. Be sure to check out the other collaborators. I don't know if they're going to be on the 24th or on the 25th. Could be a combination that you see this month because we might not all be on the same page. Those of you who celebrate, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll be back for updates this weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.